So you want to download third-party applications on your Mac, but you keep on getting errors after errors after errors. Well, in today's video, I will be showing you guys how to enable anywhere so you guys are able to download third-party apps from any sources on your Mac absolutely free right here, right now. Yes guys, aztechosbusiness here, back again with a brand new video for you guys. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how to enable download anywhere from your Mac so you guys are able to download applications from third-party sites, such as all the sites that I will be giving you guys to download. For example, Final Cut, Logic Pro X, all those applications. We do need to enable this setting on your Mac because by default it's not enabled, and if it's not enabled we will be getting in there. So for the people watching this, make sure to follow along. It's pretty simple stuff. So like always, to make sure if you have it enabled or not, go ahead and open your system preferences. Under security and privacy, we must make sure, as you guys can see, we only get two options as of right now: App Store, and then we do get App Store and Identify Developer. So if I go ahead and type in my password to log in, this is the password that you guys do have to like lock your Mac. Pretty much we only get these two options, but we do need to enable the toggle that's called anywhere, but by default it's not within Apple's like computers. I don't know why, but we are going to enable it by, like always, there will be a command down in the description for you guys. So it's this one, the sudo spctl master disable. Just go ahead and copy it from the description and open up terminal. Don't be afraid of using terminal or any sort of that like application. This is pretty safe stuff, guys. A lot of people are worried that because terminal is pretty much you can screw up your computer, but if you guys, it's pretty simple. Just get the command, just do command C and just do command V to paste it, and now it's gonna ask for your password, and type in your password and hit enter, and it should say the name of your Mac. Let's go ahead and exit out of this. Once again, let's go ahead and make sure to check if it's now enabled, security and privacy, and as we can see, pretty simple stuff. It should automatically appear here as anywhere. If you guys do have any questions or concerns, or you guys do need any help, like always, be sure to leave your questions and concerns down in the description, in the comment section, my bad, and I'll go ahead and reply back to the best of my ability. And also guys, this is very important for the people who do not know. I am starting once again my channel back up and running, so expect to see Mac, iOS, and Android video. Once again guys, let me know what type of videos you guys do want to see. For example, how to get Logic, Final Cut, and all those applications. And this is also very important for those Mac applications, such as any application that's from Apple, such as Final Cut, Logic Pro X, Motion. All those applications that are from Apple, they will be uploaded to my Facebook page. So please guys, make sure to listen. All Mac applications, the ones that I am eligible to put on YouTube, they will be on YouTube, but all of my Mac applications, how to get certain applications for free for Mac, they will all be going on my Facebook page. Simple stuff, aztechosbusiness. Just search it up on Facebook, you guys will be seeing it. Make sure to hit that like on my Facebook page, and like you guys do see, I do have the video that I did upload right here, and also like some info stuff. For example, here's the Final Cut Pro video from a while back, but a new updated version will be on here. But make sure guys to go ahead and like this page on Facebook for all those Mac users who are trying to get all those Mac applications. Let me know what type of applications you guys do want me to get for you guys, and like always, I will try my best to get those applications for you guys absolutely free. And like always guys, if you guys are brand new to the channel, go ahead and consider subscribing to the channel. Like I did say, we did have 8,200 on my previous channel, but it did get deleted. So if you guys can help me by subscribing to the channel, hitting that like button, and sharing my page with your friends and family members, that'd be awesome. So I hope you guys did enjoy today's quick video on how to enable anywhere, and this is very crucial for us to download all those Mac applications that you guys do want me to show you guys how to get. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Like always, subscribe, hit that like button, and if you have any questions, concerns, leave them in the comment section, and also comment what type of videos you guys want me to show you guys. And I hope you guys have a good one. Talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.